Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty the Stylist. So on this video I was doing French curl braid, as you can see, and I was already started. This brand was not that easy to plait, guys, but I was managing, I was trying. So to separate it, I used leave-in conditioner. I forgot to capture it. I used leave-in conditioner so that I can soften it and be easy to separate. Then you can see this my gel. I use the Vida one. This Vida one, I like it because it moisturizes the scalp. Because these days I'm having a lot of people, they are complaining of dandruff and itchy scalp because of using styling gel. So I urge my fellow hairdressers to ask the clients first before they use it. But this one, I really trust it, Vida one. I'll try to put the pictures and the names in description boxes. So as you can see now, I was busy trying, and my client's hair was very nice, and it's afro hair, but it was easy to plait. Trying to open the lines in a nice way. Make sure your lines are straight. As you can see now, on top there where I hold with the clips, I separated my hair in the middle part from the left ear to the right ear. That way it can make your hair to look nice. Even your hairstyle, you separate it and it will be easy for you to plait. And make sure you have your hair clipped so that the hair won't disturb you when you are plaiting your clients. The hair clips, they help. After finishing opening the line, you clip the hair so that it won't disturb you. So now I was just clearing my line and see if it's okay. After that, I have to open the brick layering. When I say the brick layering, I mean to say when you're opening, you don't open where exactly there's the other line. You make sure that when you open the, as you can see, my lines, they are not straight. They are like where there's, you open the line in the middle of the other braid. Yeah, that way is easier. So it was knotless braiding. As always, when braiding knotless, you start by braiding the hair into 3. After, it depends on how you want the thickness, then you started to take. So on this hairstyle, I wanted to add small because the hairpiece was not easy to add. It's slippery. So as a hairdresser, you always have the ways to do. When you see the hairpiece was not, you must make sure you try so that your clients will be happy and the hairstyle will come out so very nice. So here I was busy, my client was helping me. It wasn't easy. When I see that the hairpiece is getting dry, I have to put again the leave-in conditioner. I like the leave-in conditioner because it also moisturizes the hairpiece and also the hair. So here we were busy. Please continue watching the video up to the end. Thank you guys for your love and support. It's very nice, this hairstyle. And I also want you to see the way I was adding hairpieces. You can choose which way you want to add hairpieces because I used different techniques of adding hairpieces. So watch the video up to the end. Thank you guys for your love and support. Love you all. Don't forget to love, like, and share. Thank you so much.